Now, as long as this form entry form is open and I have dates typed inside of here, it will be able to populate the query with the dates requested. So if I were to come out here and run the report's going to want to get the information from the query is going to want to get the information from the form entry form panel here, which it's going to have because it's all set to go. So when I run this, it'll go ahead and open up the report and display the proper dates that we're looking for out here. Now, one other thing that might be nice out here is up at the top of my report, I'd like to be able to go ahead and pull these two fields from here and display them here so that whenever you run the report, you can actually see the date range that you're currently working with. So let's move into Design View and make that change. Now, just like before, I'm going to come up here and click on my text box tool. I'm going to click once. Don't need that label. So I'm just going to click on that label if I can get it, get rid of that guy. And in this unbound box, I'm going to go ahead and just type in what I'm looking for. I'm not going to go ahead and use the wizard or the builder for this. I'm going to click on equals. I'm going to type in the word forms, and the form I'm looking for, I can see that name out here. It's called the form entry form. So I will just type in FRM entry form, upper lowercase, doesn't matter, and then another exclamation point, and then I want the name of the field on the form, and I believe we called that txt start. And if I do this and use that calculation, when I come out here now and run this in my form view, it should go out and grab whatever date is inside of here. So it looks like it's working okay. Let's go back to our design view. I'm going to right click and choose design view, and I'm just going to take this and reduce this down in size a little bit. And I'll plug this out here, and I'm just going to make a copy of this. I'm going to say Control C, Control V, grab this guy, pull it out here alongside, and inside of here, double click, and instead of XTX start, I'm going to go ahead and just change this to txt rather end, which was the name of the other field we have. So again, if I save this and go ahead and click on my form view, or print preview rather, out here at the top I should see the two dates that were included out here, which is exactly what I want. So we can just leave that. It's kind of raw looking, but we can leave that the way it is. Maybe one more thing I'll try here is I'm going to go ahead and just put in a label here, and I'll just type in something like 2, just so I can keep track of what this means. It's going to say this date to that date. So if I run print preview again, you'll see it says something something to something something. All right, so we're done there. Let's go ahead and close this report. We'll save changes. And one more thing on the report entry panel, we want to put a button out here that gets the whole thing started. Let's do that in the next step.